Blah.
Today we shall be talking about the world of video games, the world of gaming, and uska impact upon youngsters' lives, and the various aspects of gaming. उसमें career कैसा रहता है, उसके harmful effects क्या रहते, and the good side and the bad side of video gaming.
Are there more bad sides or are there more good sides to the world of gaming? Before we exchange our ideas, what is your view right now?
Okay. I would like to give you an example. Imagine a world जहाँ पे like बहुत सारे लोग हैं and there are a lot of trees there and wood is something जो आप बेच के you can make a lot of money, like not a lot of money but you can make a living out of it. And in that world suddenly an axe is क्या बोलते हैं, invented. ठीक है, an axe. Now there are two kinds of people with regards to the way those people interact with that axe. The first kind of people जो अच्छा वाला ईमानदार इंसान है, वो he will take the axe and he will go and he will cut wood. He will work hard and he will sell that wood and he will make money and bread and butter for his family. Then the second kind of person is वो वाला person who, instead of cutting the wood, he will go and threaten other people with that axe and he will rob them. And so he has more money now because without working hard, he can rob multiple people, right? Now, based on just this story, can you say that the axe is good or bad? No, right? It depends on how the person who's using the axe, chooses to use it, right? So I feel that वैसा same, rule यहाँ पे भी apply करता. I feel that there are good sides and bad sides, but लोगों पे depend करता. If someone wants to kill their time, like अपनी पूरी family सबको छोड़ छाड़ के भुला के बीवी वहाँ पे बच्चे रो रहे डायपर बदलो जाओ बल्कि डोर लॉक करके गेम खेलते बैठे हुए हैं, that is wrong. But then when you are feeling depressed, when you are sad, when you want to just have fun, कोई अच्छी story वाला game खेलना है, at such a time you can, there's nothing wrong with that.
So could we apply the same logic to pornography, or is this limited to gaming world?
आज अपन बहुत जल्दी porn पे आ गए. We just started, bro.
No, I'm just no, bro. No, it's like, everything has good sides and bad sides, and it depends on the person, the way he uses it. So one could argue that even porn had good side. He uses it to, release his stress and the stuff he's going through in life. It most people can't get girlfriends, so they'll get this temporary satisfaction at least. That like, what I'm saying. So we can apply the same logic to pornography, and one could argue that even pornography is justified.
Okay. See, what pornography does is, as we spoke in our previous session about the difference between an actual sexual encounter with someone and just a session of you watching porn. So the difference is that at the end of a session, see, when you are actually getting intimate with someone, you have a partner. There is another person whose validation is available, right? You can seek their validation. You can choose to impress them. You can your performance matters. And at the end of the romantic session, if you guys are actually into each other, then after sex, there's a lot of cuddling and romance rehta. And if you are good in bed, your partner will actually you'll be able to see that your partner enjoyed this encounter with you. उस पे नजर आता, you can see that your partner had a good time, and that works as validation for you. It makes you feel that you are doing a good job. It adds to your sense of manliness. And men are simple, bro. They just need to feel manly. Now what porn does is it eliminates the entire process of seeking validation from another person by making them feel good, right? अब वो manliness को बढ़ाने के लिए वो तो जरूरी है, right? So I feel that the axe का example यहाँ पे works a little less. Let's say that porn is a gun, bro,
I,
rather than an axe.
no, when we play a game, let's say it's a COD, let's say it's Call of Duty, and what happens there? We kill person and we feel good about it. Okay, we have killed it, but are we actually doing it in real life? Are we capable of harming others in real life? We are not. It's just the same, bro. Like it's not reality. whatever we do in if I become the UFC heavyweight champion in game, should I be satisfied with it? Because it's not reality. It's the same thing with porn. कि satisfaction नहीं मिल रहा है इसमें भी क्योंकि it's not real.
See, porn is something that is related to our sexual needs, and अपनी sexuality में अपनी
Yeah.
manliness, at least for men. I can't speak for women because I haven't been one, so I don't know what goes on inside their heads. But gaming से किधर आ गए? This is our thing. Like ये हमारा signature है. अगर कोई भी session में हम लोग porn पे घूम फिर के porn पे नहीं आए तो it means कि something is wrong. Imposters है वो लोग.
I think it's only been 10 minutes, bro, and we have already come to this topic. What's wrong with this, bro?
जब अपन
Yeah.
porn देख रहे, when we are watching porn, that is something related to
Yeah.
our sexuality, right? And in terms of sexuality, men and women
Yeah.
often go back to their very core masculinity and femininity, and like it's just animal instinct. Okay, so that part is there, and that same raw sexuality is not a part of us when we are playing video games. Like, ठीक है, to some extent, maybe sometimes, but not always, right? Because you aren't having an orgasm
No, it doesn't have to be sexual.
when you're playing Call of Duty.
No, it doesn't have to be a sexual. See, you're only saying that we have a sexual instinct, but we also have a fighting instinct. And when we play a fighting game, we kind of feel manly about it, and we feel that we are strong. But in reality, are we? If we slap someone, what would they do to us? Wouldn't they break our face? Are we as tok as we are when we play a game?
Okay. See, this brings us to the concept of men watching sports. Like when a person watching football watches Ronaldo kick a goal, and then when Ronaldo actually does kick a goal, he becomes excited. They start jumping out of excitement. That's not because he actually scored a goal, right? It's because when we are watching something, we to some extent attach ourselves to that character, to the person who we are supporting, and we try to seek validation in their achievements. फॉर एग्जाम्पल देखो, अपन कभी भी जाके वैसा गोल नहीं मार पाने वाले हैं. वी नो दैट. वी नो आवर लाइफस्टाइल, आवर फैमिली, आवर बैकग्राउंड, नन ऑफ इट वाज देयर टू एक्चुअली go there and do that. So it's sports is sort of an escape. अब जैसा स्टीपे मियोचिच एंड डैनियल कॉर्मियर का फाइट हुई, देखो, you were upset because DC lost, right? And to some extent it's like you attached yourself to that loss, and it's because like you're not there right now, but you want to feel that emotion. अभी के अभी चाहिए वो emotion, right? बट एकदम अभी से फ्लाइट में बैठ के हेवीवेट चैंपियनशिप के लिए लड़ने नहीं जा सकते, राइट? सो व्हाट वी डू इज वी अटैच आवरसेल्व्स टू दीस पीपल, एंड उनके अचीवमेंट से वी ट्राई टू गेन सम अमाउंट ऑफ सेटिस्फैक्शन एंड वैलिडेशन. एंड उस टाइम पे अपन ये कहते हैं कि देखो, आई एम राइट, आई एम द विनर बिकॉज द गाय आई वाज सपोर्टिंग वन, एंड देन वी ट्राई टू रब इट इन द फेस ऑफ अदर पीपल हु वर सपोर्टिंग द अदर गाय, राइट? So it's like we are attaching ourselves to that sport. Now that doesn't mean कि see subconsciously अपन ये नहीं सोच लेते कि अरे रोनाल्डो किक करा मैं भी किक कर सकता हूँ, मिलके अपन जाके वैसा नहीं सोचते, but we just attach ourselves to that.
Exactly.
It gives us satisfaction.
But in video games, even we are trying to think कि we are that person, we are that individual. So it's kind of different because subconsciously maybe we are thinking we are that person, and it is giving us some temporary happiness.
Yes, it's like an escape from our own life.
It's not a bad thing, bro.
It's definitely not a bad thing.
You have
it's a very nice thing.
You have to get rid of this boring world from time to time to make your life more beautiful. Bro, if we apply the Dumbledore quote, which we often use, how would it be in this situation? The quote, if you want me to repeat, it's of course it's happening inside your head, but why on earth it should mean it's not real? So like I applied it in martial arts. When I'm fighting, I pretend that I am Super Saiyan Goku and I fight like I'm in some anime character, and I applied it in a good way in my life. I mean, I'm not that great martial artist, but जो भी level पे हूँ, I feel good about it, whatever I'm doing. How do we apply this gaming thing and make our lives better?
Okay. See, game, just like every movie has various aspects to it, every game also has various aspects to it. Like some aspects can be like, for example, if you're watching a movie, if you're playing a video game and it has a really good story, and the story is focused on the relationship between two characters. So the way those characters handle the various situations that are thrown at them, and we can watch them, we can watch their mistakes, and we can learn from them, we can understand what's going on. And so that aspect we can learn, because it's like we are learning from their experiences. These characters are suddenly people inside our heads, and we are learning from their experiences, and we can understand what they did wrong, what we should learn from them, what we should not learn from them. So there are these things, this aspect from the game we can take away. However, another aspect of that same game is the violence. For example, if you're playing Call of Duty, right now, you might be a really good sniper in that game, but that doesn't mean that those skills suddenly transfer to you, to the real version of you in this world, right? Because in the real world,
Yeah,
there are consequences. See, in GTA, when you're playing GTA, you can ram a car into 100 civilians, and if the
yeah,
cops come, all you have to do is restart, pause the game, then restart the game, and there are no more consequences, right?
oh,
But in the real world, if you do
cheat
that,
codes.
yeah,
Yeah,
those cheat codes don't really exist in the real world, right?
yeah.
Yeah, there's a strippers के पास जाते, like that same shit doesn't work here, right?